a recap on algebra, specifically simplifying fractions with algebra terms in it, and also solving equations with algebra fractions. So we start with simplifying the terms, and we'll go straight into questions. Simplifying just means you reduce it into the smallest common factor. So what I want to do is get the factors of 15, the factors of 35, factors of x squared, and factors of x to the power of 4. So factors of 15, 3 by 5, and then multiply by x squared, and factors of 35, x to the 4, can be written as 7x squared multiplied by 5x squared. Well, the 5x squareds will cancel, top and bottom, and we'll be left with 3 over 7x squared. Okay, second example. Write that as a lowest term fraction, so we're simplifying the fraction again. In this case, we need to take a common factor out of the top two terms, which will be 2x. Okay, so 2x into x minus 3 on top, and the bottom then I'm going to factorize as well, and because I've taken 2x out of the top term, it makes sense to look for a 2x as one of the factors in the bottom term. So 2x by 5 would give me the 10x. The 2x above and below will cancel, and I'll be left with x minus 3 all over 5. Okay. Third and fourth example. So we'll start with the one on the left-hand side. We have a difference of two squares on top, so I need to factorize those. I have a quadratic on the bottom. I need to factorize that. So it's done in like one jump there, but basically if we look at the top, x squared minus 16 is the difference of two squares, x plus 4 by x minus 4. X squared minus 5x plus 4 can be written or factorized as x minus 1 by x minus 4. And then the two terms on the right-hand side above and below that have x minus 4 in them, they're going to cancel. In which case we're left with x plus 4 over x minus 1. And by cancel I just mean we divide top and bottom by x minus 4. Or the x minus 4 on the bottom divides into the x minus 4 on the top, leaving us with 1 multiplied by the other thing. Alright, the second one. So we have 2 minus x all over 4x minus 8. The top term isn't a difference of two squares because the x isn't squared, and look, the 2 isn't squared, but it could be written as something squared. But we can take out a common factor out of the bottom one, which would be 4. On the bottom then we'd have 4 into x minus 2, and we'll notice that x minus 2 is kind of similar to 2 minus x. So what I could do is take out a common factor of minus 1 on top, and that would mean that the plus 2 and the minus x would change signs. So I'd have minus 1 into x minus 2 over 4 into x minus 2. And the two things in brackets there are the same, so one divides into the other, or they cancel if you want to put it like that, and we're left with minus 1 over 4. Alright, have a look at these, and you can pause the video there if you need to do as many of those as possible. I would suggest doing all of them, to be quite honest.